Assalamu alaikum. This is teacher Saif. So today we will learn two words that we most of the time pronounce wrongly. So today we will learn a correct pronunciation of these two words. You see, I have written two words here on a small whiteboard. So one I have written in black, another one is in red. Ugwa hala halam likki arugwa lal likki. Okay. The first one, the black one with the singular. This one is singular. Singular means only one. Singular ide ugwa bujadwa. This one is plural. Plural. Plural mane more than one. Ugwa tare beshi. Okay. So a word ina mane bidiyander bujade. So first jinno ase iba hala jinno ase iba ugwa bedi buja lamattu jinno ase iba duatar tinno mane duatar beshi. Ugwa tar beshi hole iba lamar buja. So on our side, ara in basically ara mathamanguri inar ara omen hoy. Omen is completely wrong pronunciation. So correct pronunciation so imata hundalara yan sayim. E otu zino asia halahalam di iba mati bodo woman, woman. Arfate hon repeat after me. Woman. Okay. So lal halam di zino ase iba ki mata bo women. Women. Okay, mata ina le forang no. Women. Women. Omen no him no ar. Omen hodiba mang. So iba women. Okay, these are the correct pronunciation of these two words. So enole onara mata mang no gariba mata jimango yehila onara English honikena buzibo. So iba di arago sentence hoy. There is a woman in my house. Argormo dugwa bedi ase. Bedi mani be jahona ekjona bedi. There is a woman in my house. Okay. Aji di hoy argormo de hodun bedi ana sahole there are women in my house. There are women in my house. Argormo de hodun bedi ana se. For example, on argormo de hodun memanashte korbashe. So yomodara indala use guri vejum. Enole matamang na hono women. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.